of the first period. Rui Hachimura with the ball, also in for the first. Nice spin move, layup shot. It's good. Rui Hachimura with a gorgeous move. How about this handle from Anthony Davis? He's been doing more of this lately, Doris. Nice shot again.
He really has, Mike. You wonder about this unit here, Mike. Sarge is an excellent addition because of his ability to do that.
There's Russell, back to Davis. Davis sidestep on Looney, who defends him well, and Davis still banks it home. Vanderbilt, another steal, throws it ahead. Perfect pass, Hachimura throws it down. Pajemski, shot clock at 3. Nice footwork, scoop shot, count it, and one. Boy, perfectly timed as the shot clock was winding down. All right, Lisa, Pajemski puts it in. Dominic, that's a man who has seen basketball from a lot of different places in a lot of different cities. Russell, beautiful pass. Poor transition defense that time from the Warriors. And Russell with the assist.
As Pajemski gets a nice look at 3.
Lakers, Gabe Vincent still out after knee surgery. Cam Reddish also missing another game tonight. As James easily down the lane banks it home. Curry, nice feet inside. And Draymond Green gets it to go on the reverse. Their road trip coming up after the next home game. These games are important. Oh, Curry, the fake, the pause, the three-pointer. He's 4 of 6 from downtown. Nice pass inside on a foul. D'Angelo Russell with his 4th assist, and Wood with a chance for a 3-point play. Wiggins knocks down the 3. They're 7 of 14 from down.
Tidak ada yang seperti saya ya. Kenapa, Bo? Hah? Marah ya? Marah ya? Marah ya? Hah? Sudah, Bo. Openingnya sudah. Sudah ya, Bu ya?